a kite in the shape of a square with diagonal 32 centimeter and an isosceles triangle of base 8 centimeter and side 6 centimeter each is to be made of 3 different shades as shown in the figure. How much paper of each shade has been used in it? So pause, think over what are the things that is given. So I would like you guys to fill this figure up with the values, required values. Okay, so we have diagonals. So this is of length 32 centimeter. And the isosceles triangle. So this is your isosceles triangle with a base 8. So that's 8. And these are of sides 6 centimeter. Now, we have to figure out the area of each of this first region, second region, and third region. This is a square. So the upper half will be half of it. So we can find the area of first and the second half by finding the area of the square and dividing that with 2. So consider region first and the second. So area of both of this, area of region first will be equal to area of region second, and all of this will be equal to half the area of the square. The reason diagonals bisect a square into region of two equal areas, or this is good enough actually. Right, with this reasoning we can continue the calculation, and area of a square is given by, so this is half which is already present. Area of a square is given by half of d1 into d2. So we have d1 and d2 being your diagonals, are the diagonals. So now this is 1/4 of the diagonals are 32 into 32, right? So why are both the diagonals 32? Because in a square we have, the diagonals are of equal length. And now it's just a matter of calculating 2, 16 and 16. So 16 square is 256 centimeter square, right? That's why I put this 2 as 16. I didn't divide entire 32 with 4. Then again I would have calculated and all of that, but I knew 16 square, so I did this. So you need to learn how to use things which you already know and put it across so that you can calculate things faster. Now on to considering region third. So for this we need to use Heron's formula, which is to find the perimeter and divide that with 2. So this is 6 plus 8 divided by 2. And so this will be 6 by 2 plus, 2 into 6 by 2 plus 4, that is 10 centimeter. And next part is the Heron's formula itself. Area of the triangle is s times of s minus a into s minus b into s minus c to the power of half. So this is equal to 10 into 10 minus 6 into 10 minus 6 into 10 minus 8 to the power of half. So this is equal to 10 into 4 into 4 into 2 to the power of half. So this is equal to 4 square. Okay, now I want you guys to pause and think over how to calculate this fast. So we have 10 that can be written as 5 into 2, and this is 4 square, and that's 2 again. So we have square root of 4 square, that is 4, square root of 2 square, that is 2, and square root of 5. So you can directly write this as 8 root of 5 centimeter square. You need not calculate this, all these steps. You can skip these 2 steps. Again, it's left to you guys how comfortable you guys are with exponents. Knowing this formula and understanding what's the square root, factorizing. So if you're strong with your basics, then you can skip quite a few steps, and that's okay. So let's verify this. It's been few problems that we used Python code, and let's verify this. So we have 3 sides of length 6, 6, and 8, and the measuring unit is in centimeter. So semi-perimeter is 10, and area of the triangle is 17.88. So we have semi-perimeter, that is 10, yes, and 8 root of 5 is 17.88, the same answer as this. So yes, our calculation is correct. Okay, so this is your first half, and this is the second half.